Habibi.
Habibi,
We in Dubai.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb?
He said, yeah, go. Curve it, yeah, go.
Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun, no one that they record.
Shake all out, every ounce of ass I got. You heard me. Every ounce of ass I got.
Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can.
We playing dirty now. Niggas wanna play dirty? We playing dirty now. Yeah. Bounce that motherfucking ass.
Be with P Litty, QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home.
Welcome to bottom on the camera, you got a bottom on, baby.
Not bottom
Some bottom on niggas, you fuck with some bottom on niggas.
If I'm a bad bitch, it's my birthday, bitch. Damn, you're getting cooked. What do you got to say about this?
Right off the curb, make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Yeah.
I let y'all know this is for Imani. Happy birthday. More life, more love. Game over. Top school, baby. Game over for me.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, but I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the things, so she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me?
MC, make another mix.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 lip. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you gon' feel my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high.
2024,
How we feeling?
this my bitch for life.
Yeah. And I'm here right now. Right now. Oh, wow. We sound terrible. Turn this off.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. From the crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on him, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
So, guess who just flooded the bathroom? I already cleaned it up, but look at, first of all, this was the bath mat. I literally could wring it out. I used this towel and this full towel to clean up all the water. I couldn't figure out how to change it to the top one. So it was just that one. And then I thought maybe this was sealed. So it was just spewing at the door instead of, I don't know, maybe me facing it to the wall or something. I don't know. And yeah, there was water literally all the way up to the sink. This is why I can't have anything nice, because what? But it's been a long day, almost 13 hours of flying. Came to the hotel, dropped my things off, and then went to lunch with my new friend, my new almost birthday twin, Pisces gang. And then I got in the shower, flooded the bathroom, cleaned it up, and now I'm about to take a nap ski before Zaria gets here. And then that's when the party really starts.
A few moments later.
Who made it? Period, 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 period. Habibi! We in Dubai! We really in Dubai.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open the safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses. Act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes. You see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks. You go to war with whoever ain't never been by. Too many sticks. I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must've went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, yeah. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How?
We don't sell cute.
It is 4:09 a.m.
4:09 in the morning.
and we outside.
Definitely very much outside.
One Oak did their big one. And did.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Man, that ain't scream. Man, hey, you ain't flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shitty nail pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field and the pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo. 3, 2, 1. 所有的朋友手拍拍，所有的朋友手拍拍，亲爱的亲爱的生日快乐，祝你能平安。
How's it feel to be in Dubai, honey, on your 25th birthday?
I'm really 25. It feels good. Everyone keeps acting like I'm such a baby. So I guess I am a baby.
25 years old, still 5'5", but we're good.
I'm not even that tall.
OMG. Okay, never mind on that.
I'm 5'0".
It's covered so it doesn't bite you. Okay, I took a lot.
Ready? You can take him. Yes, we're good. You can take him back. We're good. Take him back.
You can take the bird.
You can take him back.
Yes.
Take him
No,
back.
this is your bird now.
There's owls. Oof, wait. Oh. Okay. Nah, this tough.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the club. Yes.
Yo. We outside.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Tracy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib gone.
We love you. Where are you from again? Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia in the building. Bruh, bruh, bruh.
No sleep. Bus. Club. Another club. Another club. Plane. Next place. No sleep.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty comes on. It's you. I don't know. Closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby.
Put a drip on my motherfucking 5 kilo, keep taking yo. Never went out to some shake on no nigga. I'm staying with these niggas, I see them in picture week. The hunter know when you can call on me, nigga. 3. I miss you, brother. You did. Hold on.
And that's where you live. I'm sorry, I looked at the set of shirt. Every time I look stood up, everything
we did the same thing.
out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Bring her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead and hot.
Yelling up this young stuff, but only enough that I know's better. When they saying this boy too for that right powder. Yeah, that's it. You see with your girl, she tryna okay. Swerve. With your girl, she tryna. You want some real money? What you need? Some real money. Take your time, count it out. Yeah, that's real money.
Let's turn this bitch up. Let's see. Y'all niggas, that's that shit I don't like. Trifecta, 3 hoes, trifecta. No money, more money, you blow. My watch better. Better you don't like. Drinks that you don't like. Pay how many okay, how many grateful niggas I don't like.
I'm so fucking awesome. I'm so awesome. Pull up in that, oh my god.
Like, y'all shouldn't have came right now. It's not as lit. Like, what? Honestly, if this ain't lit, then right. Bro.
No sleep. Bus. Club. Another club. Another club. Plane. Next place. No sleep.
And we're back. We live. We're back. And the music's so much better. Part 2, Yacht 2.0 part 2. Yacht 2.0 part 2. 2.0.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change, cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tipple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead broke is in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like Zane when I'm rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist want a house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it flat with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
This is Imani's fault. We on a fucking yacht. Yeah, thank you. He bringing drinks. We on a yacht.
It's not a digital camera.
We on a yacht. And it's her fault. Yeah, we fucking lit.
Can you tell whose fault it is by the one who's acting stupid and the one who's being very serious right now?
And she don't
We're
give a fuck
missing
'cause
the
she don't hear
mosques
what
in
I
the
do
morning.
say.
But we are on a yacht in Dubai and that's like a little bit.
We lit.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, it's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish.